Addiction for me, in all my years as a undercover narcotics officer, is people have a misconception of addiction. They think addiction is something that you have a choice. I used to always think someone had a choice as whether they are a drug addict and aren't a drug addict. And when you think about it, why would somebody want to be a drug addict? Just like why would somebody want to have cancer? And it's the same philosophy, is you don't choose to have cancer, you don't choose to be an addict. If a doctor gives you a prescription drug, you have a bad back, you don't know whether you're addicted to that drug or not. You don't know if you're allergic to that drug. If someone gives you penicillin, my father's allergic to penicillin. So when he takes penicillin, his glands will swell up, he can't swallow, he could die. If an addict in the same sense takes a pain pill or takes his Xanax for anxiety, he can't stop once he starts taking it. You do not know that until you're there, and then you try to stop it. You can't do it. And that's when you start getting confused, because it is a disease of the mind. So your mind's telling you everything's fine, everything's great, and everyone around you saying, whoa, why is he acting so much differently than he was before? And it's a disease of the mind. So the person does not even realize that they're acting differently and that they are an addict. And that's what we show them, and we show them how to get out of that vicious cycle of not being able to stop. And that's what's so wonderful about Serenity Springs, is we understand the disease. Our psychiatrist understands the disease, that you don't have to take a pill to get rid of your anxiety. You don't have to take a pill to go to sleep at night. And our therapist understands that it's a disease. Maybe something happened to you when you were younger, something traumatic happened to you, you just want to feel differently. And that's what we do differently at Serenity Springs. We don't treat it with medications when you're allergic to medications. We do everything naturally.